Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you what I've had for my meals throughout this health journey that I'm on. So as you see, these are the things that I've been having so far. They're health packed, really good for you, and I'm just having them. I feel great, I feel energized, and I'm just feeling absolutely amazing. So I'm staying away from gluten, staying away from milk, anything at all to do with dairy. I'm staying away from rice, and as I said, meat, just to give my digestive system a break, and just to shake the funk, you know, shake the ill feeling and everything, and just to choose life foods that will make me feel better, foods that have been making me feel better, but I just didn't have the discipline at that time to actually continue consuming them. But now I'm committed and I'm ready to go. And if you want to join me on this health journey, then just tune in each and every day to see what I'm having or what I've had on that particular day. If you need details of each recipe or each meal that you see, then just put it in the comment and I will let you know. I'll show you. I can do step-by-step videos as well of each of the meals, just to help you along your health journey too. So enjoy. Speak soon.